I open Microsoft Word in my computer, and in MS Office this is the continuation symbol. How to create this continuation symbol in Microsoft Word document using a keyboard shortcut is the topic that we discuss in the video. Okay, for this you can first adjust your font, okay, that whatever you want. I'm going to change the font, and after that you can simply use the keyboard shortcut. That is, this is the control key, this is the alt key, and this is the full stop. So you must press these three keys at the same time. That is, one of your finger in this control key, another in the alt key, and at the same time another finger is in this key also. You must press these three keys at the same time. So you can see that the symbol have been added, this continuation symbol. So if you press these three keys at the same time, the continuation symbol have been added. For more videos, subscribe Engineering Online. Thank you.